Circumstances with your specific person really don't matter. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, your Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers want to remind you to subscribe, click the bell icon. We're here almost every day of the week to empower your life with the law of attraction and the latest in the mind sciences. So high flyers, your specific person will come for you, and it has nothing to do with what is going on in the 3D world. You see, manifesting is about matching your frequency to your specific person, and that has little to do with the 3D world. It has more to do with what's going on in here. No matter what the circumstances that are going on in your life, you have the power to intentionally manifest the kind of relationship that you desire with your specific person. Now, we're fortunate because we have clients all over the world who have manifested their relationship with their specific person, even when they thought it was impossible. As a matter of fact, we've helped people in 60 different countries. One thing is absolutely certain: the circumstances in life will change. Life is fluid, and you can create the circumstances you desire. High flyers, you may feel your circumstances are unique or your situation is different, but trust me, it really isn't. Wayne Dyer used to say, if you believe it, you will see it. So are you prepared to believe the best possible outcome for you and your specific person? You see, your specific person is of interest to you because of the feelings that you feel when the two of you are together, or when you imagine being together with your specific person. It's those feelings. That's what's really important. That's what's really going on. So if you want to get technical, it's really not about the person, it's about the feelings. That's why I choose to call my SP, or specific person, my specific feelings. It's through your feelings that you attract whatever it is you desire. So it's not the person, it's the feelings that you tell yourself that you have when you are near this person, or when you're close to this person, or when you imagine being with this person. Feelings. But unfortunately, you may be focusing more on the 3D world. Why is she ghosting me? Why is he dating someone else? Why did he move out of the house? Why doesn't she talk to me? Why doesn't she give me any of her time? Why don't I get any attention from him? Why is there no commitment in our relationship? In other words, you're spending too much of your time focusing on circumstances. And according to law of attraction, that's just the opposite. See, the circumstances are what you have created. You are manifester. You are creator of your reality. So why focus on those circumstances? Focus on creating new circumstances with your specific person. Remember, you are creator of your reality. The way to create new, different, and better circumstances is to focus on your specific feelings, the kinds of feelings that you feel when you imagine being with your specific person, receiving a lot of attention from your specific person, spending time with your specific person, that kind of thing. The more you meditate on these incredible feelings you get from your specific person, the more you literally change and shift your circumstances. I want to say that again. The more that you focus on the feelings that you get from your SP, the more you begin to shift your circumstances. Stop focusing on wanting, needing, hoping, pleading, and fall asleep or meditate on the feelings you desire to feel in the relationship with your specific person. Write down these feelings in a book and do many meditations throughout the day. Do them, of course, as you fall asleep, when you wake up in the morning, but do little 1-minute meditations throughout the day. I feel so good when he texts me. I feel so good when he shows me extra affection. I feel so good. I feel so wonderful when she uses my name and tells me she has feelings for me. Here's a simple list of feelings that you might focus on in regards to shifting your specific person, their behavior, and your relationship with them. Affection, being sexy together, being loved, feeling worthy, feeling cared about, feeling wanted or desired. High flyers, the more you focus on feeling that energy that your specific person gives you, the sooner the two of you will be spending more time together. You see, you deserve those feelings with your specific person or even someone better, because the universe always has your back and always reacts to your feelings. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.